Did you go to synagogue when you were in that period?
No, I was not religious. Well, my mother believed in God, but it's more a belief that is, I would say, because of destiny. She believed in God because she survived these periods that were incredibly difficult. But when I became of age of making my bar mitzvah, she asked me to do my bar mitzvah. At the time, I didn't believe in God, and I didn't want to do my bar mitzvah, but she insisted, and I said, okay, this is my last concession. So I did my bar mitzvah, but we had moved by that time to the section in Paris, which is called Le Marais, which is the real Jewish, the old Jewish section of Paris. And I did my bar mitzvah with a very interesting rabbi who had been timonier dans la marine, meaning he had been the rabbi for the French Navy, and therefore for the Jews that were in the Navy, he served the purpose of rabbi. But he liked the title that he had there and had all of his kids raised up in sailor's uniform, and it was really funny. But he was a very interesting man. He knew that I was not religious and told me that I had still to learn a little bit of Hebrew, and if he was willing to get me to do my bar mitzvah, but I had to give it to some of his requirements. And he was an interesting guy.